Hurricanes. These swirling behemoths of wind and rain are a humbling reminder of nature's raw power. They form over warm ocean waters, drawing energy from the heat and moisture, growing stronger as they travel. Imagine a force so strong it can rip apart buildings, uproot trees, and toss cars around like toys. The sheer destructive power of a hurricane can leave entire communities in ruins, altering landscapes and lives in a matter of hours. Now imagine that force spinning at over 74 miles per hour. In fact, some hurricanes can reach speeds of over 150 miles per hour, making them one of the most formidable natural phenomena on Earth. That, my friends, is a hurricane. At the center of this chaos lies the eye, a deceptively calm area where the skies are clear and winds are light. But don't be fooled. The eye is surrounded by the eyewall, where the most intense winds and rain occur. Understanding these meteorological marvels isn't just about satisfying our scientific curiosity, it's about survival. Knowing how hurricanes form, move, and evolve can make the difference between life and death. The more we know about hurricanes, the better prepared we can be for their wrath. Meteorologists use advanced technology and data analysis to predict the path and intensity of these storms, giving us precious time to prepare. We can improve forecasting, evacuation procedures, and even building codes to withstand their fury. Communities can implement better infrastructure and emergency plans to minimize damage and save lives. But don't worry, this isn't all doom and gloom. There's a fascinating side to hurricanes that goes beyond their destructive nature. We'll explore the fascinating science behind these storms, delve into their history, and uncover the mysteries of their formation. From the warm waters of the tropics to the complex interactions of atmospheric conditions, every hurricane has a story to tell, and learn from the past to prepare for the future. By studying historical hurricanes, we can identify patterns and improve our predictive models, making future forecasts more accurate. Think of it as a crash course on hurricanes without the actual crashing, hopefully. We'll break down the science into easy-to-understand segments, making it accessible for everyone. So buckle up, grab your metaphorical raincoats, and let's dive into the eye of the storm. Together we'll navigate the complexities of these incredible natural events and emerge with a deeper understanding and respect for nature's fury. Hurricanes don't just appear out of thin air. They are the result of a complex interplay of natural forces. They require a specific recipe of atmospheric ingredients to form, like a cosmic chef whipping up a stormy masterpiece. Each element must be in perfect harmony for a hurricane to take shape.
First, you need a large expanse of warm ocean water, at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This warm water acts as the primary energy source for the storm. Think of it as the fuel for our hurricane engine. The heat from the water is transferred to the air, causing it to rise. Next, you need moist, warm air rising from the ocean's surface. This rising air is laden with water vapor, which is crucial for cloud formation. This rising air creates an area of low pressure below, drawing in more air like a giant vacuum cleaner. The continuous inflow of air fuels the storm further. As the warm, moist air rises and cools, it condenses to form thunderclouds, the first signs of trouble brewing. These clouds are the building blocks of the hurricane.
Now throw in a dash of wind shear. Wind shear is the change in wind speed and direction with height. Wind shear is the change in wind speed and direction with height. It plays a critical role in the development and organization of the storm. Too much wind shear can rip a developing storm apart, but just the right amount helps organize the thunderstorms and spin them up. This delicate balance is essential for the storm's growth. As the storm system rotates faster and faster, it forms an eye in the center, an area of eerie calm surrounded by the storm's fiercest winds. The eye is a hallmark of a mature hurricane, and voila! You've got yourself a hurricane, ready to wreak havoc on unsuspecting coastlines. The destructive power of these storms can be immense, but the story doesn't end there. Hurricanes are dynamic systems, constantly changing and evolving. These storms are constantly evolving, gaining strength over warm water and weakening over land or cooler water. The interaction with different environments can significantly alter their intensity. Understanding their life cycle is key to predicting their path and potential impact. Meteorologists use advanced tools and models to track and forecast these powerful storms. Historical data and past hurricane patterns also play a crucial role in improving our predictive capabilities. Communities in hurricane-prone areas rely on these predictions to prepare and mitigate damage. Emergency response teams are always on standby, ready to act when a hurricane threatens. Evacuations and preparations can save lives and reduce the impact of these natural disasters. After the storm passes, the focus shifts to rebuilding and recovery. Efforts to create more resilient infrastructure are essential to withstand future hurricanes. Scientists are also studying the effects of climate change on hurricanes. Rising sea temperatures and changing atmospheric conditions could influence the frequency and intensity of future storms. Global collaboration is key in advancing our understanding and response to hurricanes. International conferences and research initiatives bring together experts from around the world to share knowledge and strategies. Hurricanes are a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet's weather systems. What happens in one part of the world can have far-reaching effects elsewhere. Ultimately, the human spirit of resilience and cooperation shines through in the face of these powerful storms. Communities come together to support each other and rebuild stronger than before. And as the storm subsides, the calm returns, bringing with it a new day and the promise of recovery and renewal.